Hey guys, making an affiliate link in Copy.ai is pretty easy to do. Today, I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, you need to open up any web browser and search for affiliates.copy.ai in the search bar. And then it will redirect you to the official page of Copy.ai's affiliate program. Now, scroll down and then tap on Earn Money as a Copy.ai affiliate partner. Once the page loads up, you need to select Apply to be a partner and then wait for it to load. Now, as you can see, it says that Copy.ai affiliate program is currently closed for new applications. So, if you are a new applicant, you cannot join now. But if you have already joined the program of Copy.ai affiliate program, I will show you the process on how you can make an affiliate link in Copy.ai. You will basically see an interface like this if you have already signed up for the program. You can see a section that says links, and from here you will see a link below. This is basically your affiliate link. You can copy the link, or if you want, you can also edit the link. There is also another option that says create another link. By tapping on that, you will be able to make an affiliate link in Copy.ai.